For the caramel custard, we need 500 ml of milk, 4 eggs, half cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of sugar. 3 tablespoons of sugar we need for making the caramel sauce. So here in this pan, I'm taking 3 tablespoons of sugar, and to this I will add in 1 tablespoon of water. You need either 1 tablespoon or slightly less than that, not more than that. I've kept it for boiling and caramelizing. You can see it's boiling over here, and do not stir it at any point. You're not supposed to use a spoon and stir. If you want to stir, then take the pan and gently swirl it around. That's the only way. You have to mix it, and after quite some time you will see that the color is changing, and then soon it will turn into golden color. See, and at this point you can switch it off and pour it immediately into the mold. Usually for caramel custard, ramekins are used, but I have used aluminum molds over here. Pour in the caramel, and the aluminum mold will become very hot at this time, so you need to be careful when you handle it. So quickly we need to make sure that all the caramel is out, because it starts to thicken very fast. And take mittens and hold the mold and swirl it around so that all the caramel is spread around as much as possible. Now I like more caramel, that's why I felt this was not enough for me, so I made the process of making caramel again and poured it on top of it, which I've not shot in the video. Next is I've taken the milk, heated it, and to this I've added the half cup of sugar, and allow the sugar to dissolve while stirring it once in a while. And the eggs, gently mix it, and once the eggs are mixed, you need to pour it into the milk mixture. By then you have to switch off the milk, don't allow it to boil along with the eggs. And with the help of a strainer, pour in the egg mixture, and we are using a strainer so that there are no egg white strands that are left over. And once it's done, stir it and pour it into your mold. Once you finish pouring it, you need to place this mold in a tray filled with water and place it in a preheated oven to bake at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes, or till you feel the caramel is set and slightly firm to touch. And once it's done baking, allow it to cool and cover and place it in the refrigerator for 6 hours at least, and then remove and run a knife through the edges. And I'm using a very thin knife over here so that I don't cut here and there. And then once that's done, place the plate and quickly but carefully turn it upside down, and all the caramel liquid comes out at this point and it looks lovely. Gently shake it and remove it. So the caramel is ready. Do try this out. It's very easy to make, very simple and very delicious. And you can also make this on the stove with the pressure cooker. You have to steam it. Same way, pour water, keep a stand and place the mold, cover and place the mold on the stand, and then steam it. Yeah. Do try this out, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.